Welcome to this calming meditation for lowering blood pressure through the simple, powerful practice of deep breathing. Before we begin, I invite you to gently take your blood pressure now. This will give you a starting point to notice how your body responds to relaxation and breath. Find a comfortable position, either seated with your feet flat on the ground or lying down in a relaxed posture. Rest your hands softly in your lap or by your side. Close your eyes if you wish. Let your body know this is a moment of peace. Take a slow, deep breath in through your nose. Hold gently for a moment and slowly release through your mouth. Feel your shoulders begin to drop, your jaw loosen, and your chest soften as you exhale. We'll use a gentle rhythm. Inhale to a count of 4, hold for a count of 2, exhale for a count of 6. Let's begin. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 1, 2. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Continue this rhythm. Allow each breath to travel deeper into your body, relaxing your heart, your muscles, your mind. With each inhale, imagine calm energy filling your body. With each exhale, release any tension, any worry, any heaviness you've been carrying. Notice how your heartbeat slows, how your mind feels lighter, how peace gently flows through your body. Each breath is a gift of calm. Each exhale is a reminder that you are safe, here, and grounded. Stay with this breathing pattern a little longer, letting your body sink into this moment of ease. Now, slowly bring your attention back to the room around you. Wiggle your fingers, roll your shoulders gently, and when you feel ready, open your eyes. If you took your blood pressure at the beginning, I invite you to take it again now. Notice the shift, even if small. Deep breathing and meditation really do calm the body and gently lower blood pressure over time. Before we close, Here's today's health tip. Try splashing your face with ice-cold water. This simple practice reduces wrinkles, brightens and lightens the skin, and stimulates collagen production, helping your face feel refreshed and rejuvenated. Thank you for sharing this time of peace with me. Return to this meditation anytime you need to calm your mind, lower stress, or bring balance back into your body. Remember, a few minutes of mindful breathing can make a lasting difference.